Is the camera recording? Oh, whoa, I didn't even realise it was recording. But what is up, guys? I'm Leonardo. My dad's Anthony, and today we're fishing at Salt Creek. It's day one. We've just stopped at Tailem Bend just to go for a toilet break. Toilets are just over there. We've been driving for about an hour, something like that, but we'll be fishing soon, so hopefully you guys enjoy. Okay guys, as you just saw, we just made it across Tea Tree. Little bit of water, but it should be alright. Just there, down one tyre so far. Dad's going to do next. We're going down to 12 PSI. Yep. Apparently it's really tuned up on the beach, that's what we've heard. But hopefully we can get to the spot where we want to go. Okay, so we've got the rods here. What? How many feet are they? 12 or 10? 12. They're all 12? Mm-hmm. So we've got all 12-foot surfboards. We've got the reels. What are the reels?
Saragosas.
They're all Saragosas. We've got the rod holders. These are made with a bit of pipe and some metal thing with tape.
Star dropper.
Star dropper, that's what it's called. We've got the sinker. Yeah, what are they, like anchor sinkers? Is that what they're called?
6-ounce sinker.
6-ounce sinkers. Got another Saragosa reel here. Dad's just doing this. And another cool hack.
Rig setup.
Sinker, rig setup.
30-pound line.
We've got sinker.
30-pound line.
30-pound line.
Going
and then
to a freeway swivel. And 120-pound on the line.
So we've got 120 pounds.
So if the sinker gets stuck, it breaks the sinker and then the fish still pulls and we don't lose the fish. So we put a whole mucker on it.
And in our canopy, we've got chairs and that on this side, gaff, axe, to put the rod holders in. Then we've got the esky. Then here, this is a cool little trick. It's a pool noodle, but it's got all our hooks and that in it. So when we lose a fish or lose a rig, we can just come straight to here and grab one off, just like that. And all you got to do is just cut a little bit in it, and then you just put it around like the line bit. And we've also got the LEDs in here. But that's our setup. Hopefully we just hook on some fish. That's all we need now. That's the only thing we're waiting for. We were going to go further up down there, but it was a bit too steep and not really anyone had driven down there for a few days or weeks. So we decided, because we're on our own, we better play it safe and just come down here. So we'll update you guys soon. Fish?
I reckon same.
Huh?
I reckon same fit and took it because of mackerel.
Molly?
No. You heard that run, it was definitely this rod. Could be a small shark in there.
Something on there.
Nah.
Huh?
Could just be weed. Could be a big chunk of weed. I reckon it's weed. I can't feel the body.
False alarm. Huh?
I haven't seen the videos.
Be a molly or a shark. Be a molly or a shark. Shovel nose? Salmon? A ray? I reckon it's a ray. Huh?
I feel like a mully. A mully would be running to the side.
It's a what?
Good kick on it, I felt that.
So is it a ray or a shark or?
Well, I don't know, I haven't seen colour yet. Just try and use the waves to get closer.
Pardon?
Try and use the waves to get closer. I haven't seen.
Well guys, after basically rod's not holding, us driving up and down for about 30 minutes, we've hooked something. Is it in the waves? I've got the gaff. If it's a ray, are you gonna get it or am I?
Oh, yeah, it's probably right the way it's going.
Please be a shark. Please be a shark.
Is that right?
I don't know what that is. Judging by the way we're going, I reckon it's a stingray. Dad's got no clue what it is because we haven't seen colour, but other than guiding off how it's fighting, we reckon it's a stingray. But you never know until you get it in. Could be a mully, could be a shark, but I doubt it. Judging by the way it's going, I reckon it's a ray. Huh?
I haven't seen it yet.
Still could be a shark. Shovel nose?
I'm like, it's a big gummy.
Pardon?
That's a big gummy.
Well, I haven't seen any fins. Wouldn't it usually have fins up? Come in, come towards us, come towards us.
Look, I can't get them up.
Could be a gummy because it's sticking to the bottom. What's it on? Mackerel. So it's either a stingray or a big shark. Oh, come on. Huh? Are you gonna film?
As the wave comes in, you just got to wind. Got it? Grab it. Let's stand up there. Can you not see the picture? Oh, there you go. So something's taken the bait close to the shore break. Don't know, I think it's a stingray the way it's running. It's not a mully, I don't think, it's not running sideways to the beach. So a bit of effort, so hopefully we'll have it up soon. We'll see what happens. Leo can have a turn now winding it in. Get closer to the water a bit, Leonardo. But as you go, walk. Just wait for that big wave, and once that big wave comes in, then that's when you pull him. Watch the wave now. As that wave comes in, you use that wave, and then he'll come.
Okay guys, we've switched it back to Dad. My back was getting sore after like a few minutes of fighting it. Because it's such a big rod, I think that's why. And because you fight in the surf and the beach. Oh, come in, bastard. You know what? I reckon I might change my prediction to big gummy. Huh? Stingray. That was a stingray. Well guys, we've confirmed it's a stingray. We saw the barb or the stinger shoot up for a sec. So it's not what we wanted, nowhere near what we wanted actually. It's unlucky, unlucky. This thing's a pain in the ass.
I just want to bring him in so you don't get him back.
Pardon?
I just want to bring him in so you get him back.
Yeah. Oh. Pardon?
I'll just get a knife and I'll just cut the line.
Now?
Yeah.
Okay.
£8 line, no, 140.
100 and what?
140, ain't gonna break it. Can you get the knife?
Okay. Not what we wanted. We reckon it's a big, it is a stingray, not sure how big, but it's not coming in unless Dad gets it in. But it's not coming in, so I'm just going to get the knife now. At least you guys got something that, you got some entertainment. Got the knife. Is it there? Cut it here.
Really nothing? Out the front right there.
Did he snap that?
Is this recording?
Yeah.
You on? So one red rod went.
That'll blow away.
We snapped it. Yeah.
Well guys, the reason you saw me sprint, or I hope I was recording, big blob of weed.
I'll get that and drag that up there.
Yeah.
Go back to the water.
I gotta take this big blob of weed up here. Fish?
What a fucking down.
Weed or fish?
There's something how to hit it.
Huh?
Well, there's something how to hit it.
Well guys, we were just setting up the swag for Dad and we finished setting up the tent for me. All of a sudden he starts sprinting towards the rod. I grab the gaff from the GoPro. I reckon it's sharked. But there. Okay guys, it is about almost 9 o'clock pretty much. The sun's gone down, it's pretty much last light. The moon and some other stars up there. I've got my setup here, got fishing rod down there. Dad's at that fishing rod so he's closer to the rods. Because he keeps recasting because I keep getting weed on him occasionally. But we probably won't go to bed too late, and we'll probably just get up late tomorrow because it's apparently calm all day tomorrow and we're in no rush to leave tomorrow. So hopefully some fish happens tonight, if not tomorrow morning. But man, I am screwed. But you know what? I downloaded stuff onto my iPad from Netflix so I can watch my shows. So it's actually alright. Not as bad as other times where I just have like legit no internet games where they're useless AF. But I'll either have a video of tomorrow morning or us catching a fish. Peace. Okay guys, it's 9:30 right now. It's pretty much dark. We've only got one rod out. Dad's just over there with that little dot. He's casting the rod. I think we'll go to bed soon. It's pretty much dark. Just watching the rookie. Other than that, I think we're probably not going to catch anything. Probably going to go to bed. So we'll see you in the morning. Good morning everyone. Day 2, Salt Creek. We're obviously not at our campsite anymore. Morning. Not at our campsite anymore. The water came up really far, so we couldn't get the rods to where we wanted them. So pretty much as Dad was awake an hour before me doing stuff. Once I woke up, we packed up my tent and pretty much came along the track and pulled off to the side because we reckon there's a nice gutter here. But we'll update you guys as the day goes. Well guys, it's about what, 9:45. We've moved probably about 3 times. No luck so far. Just came to the next spot. I'm not sure whether you can see that or not, but we put the fishing rod out. But I think he's starting to get a bit tired, but we've just been moving around all morning. Not much happening. Well guys, you know, it was an average trip when I've still got, what, like 35% battery left on my GoPro. That's how you know it was a bit of an average trip. Caught gutsies, which means 0. 1 stingray, but then we snapped it on because we couldn't be bothered. And then all we're doing is blowing up tyres. We got down that big dune that's always chinned up. All we got to do is just put tyres back on their normal pressure. What do you have to say about this trip?
Good trips and bad trips.
Good trips and there's bad trips. Hey, should we fill it up the fish we caught? Oh wait, we didn't catch any. Well guys, thanks for watching. We're both tired. We did 25 hours at Salt Creek. I'm screwed. We're both tired. Got to drive home, which will take like 2 and a bit hours. Got to still have lunch. I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. My name's Leonardo, my dad's Anthony. Hope you guys enjoyed us at Salt Creek. I will be sure to post a few videos throughout the year, but hopefully you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Peace.